Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can change your life: goal setting. Whether it's big dreams or small aspirations, setting clear goals is the key to turning your vision into reality. Stick around, because in this video, we're going to show you how to set and achieve your goals effectively. Why goal setting matters. Before we dive in, let's talk about why goal setting matters. Goals give your life direction, purpose, and a sense of accomplishment. They motivate you to push boundaries, learn, and grow. SMART goals. The foundation of effective goal setting is using the SMART criteria. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For details, read my book Magic of Dreaming Bigger. Click the link to read https://relings.me/b097mdrqgk. Let us break it down shortly. Specific. Specific means your goal should be clear and well-defined. Instead of saying, "I want to get in shape," say, "I want to run a 5K race in 3 months." Measurable. Measurable means you can track your progress. Ask yourself, how will I measure success? In our example, you can measure progress by tracking your running distance and time. Achievable. Achievable means your goal is realistic. Consider your resources and time. Running a 5K in 3 months might be achievable, but running a marathon in a month may not be. Relevant. Relevant means your goal aligns with your values and long-term objectives. Ask yourself, is this goal meaningful to me? Running a 5K may be relevant if you want to improve your fitness. Time-bound. Finally, make your goal time-bound. Set a deadline. In our example, running the 5K in 3 months gives you a clear timeframe to work with. Break down goals. Now that we know how to create SMART goals, let's talk about breaking them down into manageable steps. Divide your goal into smaller, actionable tasks. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool. Close your eyes and imagine achieving your goal. Feel the excitement and pride. This mental rehearsal can boost your motivation. Overcoming obstacles. Along your journey, you'll face obstacles. Anticipate them and plan how to overcome them. This proactive approach keeps you on track. Celebrate milestones. Don't forget to celebrate your milestones. Every small win gets you closer to your goal. Reward yourself and stay motivated. Conclusion. Goal setting is a game changer, my friends. Use the SMART criteria, break it down, visualize success, overcome obstacles, and celebrate your achievements. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal development and goal setting. Read my books in Dream and Dare series. Visit https://drguradas.com. Your dreams are worth pursuing, and we're here to help you achieve them. Stay focused, and we'll see you in the next video.